Welcome. Good morning to Diploma Polytechnics College, Banasivra, all first year diploma student. Then myself is completing last lecture. My self introduction having completing last lecture. Then we are dealing with paper English subject. Then English as most popular language in the world. Every day to want to learn English language in the world, and so many methods studied in this subject. In English subject you are studied many methods. So today's goal is to learn English language or English subject. In this video we are going to introduction to English subject or starting chapter number first, applied grammar. Then what is meant by applied grammar, types of applied grammar, then articles, preposition, use of preposition, conjunction, types of sentence, exclamatory sentence, assertive sentence, imperative sentence, tense, past tense, future tense, present tense, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech. In total chapter number first sub point in this lecture studied. Subject code of English 22101. Last lecture having complete marking semi of English subject. Your English subject having total 150 marks. They divided into 100 marks theory exam, 50 marks practical exam, total 150 marks English course. Then today's lecture we are starting chapter number first in applied grammar. In chapter number first studied sub point applied grammar means first articles, second preposition, third one is conjunction. In conjunction between coordinating and subcoordinating. Third sub points types of sentence. Then types of sentence between assertive and imperative and exclamatory sentence. Fourth sub point tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. In simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, continue present tense, continue past tense, perfect tense, perfect past tense, perfect future tense. In total in chapter studied. Next sub point active and passive voice. Next sub point direct and indirect speech. Types of speech in this chapter detailing studied. So chapter number first having start. Then chapter number first name as applied grammar. Then sub points first articles. Then articles means they are used before noun or noun phrase to determine whether the noun is specific or non-specific. Articles means this word used before noun or noun phrase and they determine specific or non-specific. Then a or an and the are there are three articles used in English language. There are two main types, dependent articles and independent articles. Then dependent articles means they indicate someone or something specific. Dependent article use someone and something specific, and independent articles the articles use before independent or general noun. So first start indefinite articles. Article first type indefinite articles. A and N. These two word is indefinite articles. So indefinite articles A and N are called as indefinite articles because they are used before the indefinite or general noun. These A and N, these two articles use indefinite articles. Then example of indefinite articles. First example, I will have a fruit. This example indefinite articles. In this example, fruit refers to any fruit and not a particular fruit. This example having fruit refer any fruits. So it is in this example A articles, A indefinite articles used. Then choice between A and N, A oblique and then two indefinite articles used. Then choice between A and N is dedicated by the beginning vowels or constant sound of the words that follows the articles. Then A and N articles used in two different ways. Vowels or constant sounds. Then articles A use before the word beginning with constant sound and articles N use vowels. So indefinite articles means before use noun or before use in general noun. Then example of independent article use A. First example, a girl. Second, a man, a cub, a university, a union, a European country, a uniform, a useful thing, a 1 rupees notes, a 1 head man. This example use A independent articles. Then second one, an independent articles use this example. Then an is used before a word beginning with vowel sound. A articles use beginning with constant sound. Then next, an articles is use vowel sounds. Then examples of an articles: an enemy, an ink pad, an orange, an umbrella, an hour, an honesty, and here an MA, an MLA, etc. Then this example, an articles use then vowel sound. Then next point, use of articles with example. Two articles A and N use this sentence or someone. Example follows. First one is A or N are used before a noun that is being maintained for the first time or that is not known to the receiver. A articles example. First example, suddenly we heard a loud noise. Second example, we have a problem. In these two examples, A articles used because in this sentence with constant sounds such as A articles used. Second example, second types of use of articles to refer to a general types of person or things and not a specific one. this sentence example. First word, you like a have a grilled sandwich. Second example, a child needs love and affection. In these two examples, a indefinite articles used because constant sound. Third point say use of articles before singular countable noun. Then two example. First example, we saw a car. Second, here is a dog. There are two example use a indefinite articles. Fourth uses of articles to express numerical signs of 1 or 2 mean each when starting prices, speed or rates. Then speed or rates use a indefinite articles. Then example of first example, the pears cost Rs 160 a dozen. Second example, we can complete the task within a week. In this uses number 4, then two example a articles use because in this sentence constant sounds. Then fifth uses of articles in the sense of any or to show any single individual as the representative. Fifth uses individual or representative sentence use as indefinite articles a. Then example, first one is a student should obey the teacher. Second example, cat is a cutie animal. In these two sentences, a indefinite articles used because of constant sounds. Sixth use of articles to express since of certain or before someone name when you do not know the person. Then six uses. Their example of first one is a head of a robot. Second, one day I meet a musician. In these two sentences, a indefinite articles used because constant of vowel sounds. You are studied total indefinite articles a and then use sentence what. Then next point is some one example of indefinite articles. 7. So mention how much of something there is. Then example, there are a lot of worker in the factory. Then second example, he worked this with use for a few months. Then two example use as indefinite articles a. Fourth uses of articles before ing from verb that use a noun referring to an action, event or sound. Then example, first, he celebrated fearing accident. He celebrated with winning hurt. Second example, we all visited a fearing accident. In this sentence, two words winning and fearing, then ing form. This sentence ing form because constant sound, then use as indefinite articles a. Uses number 9. So to change a proper noun into a common noun. Proper noun and common noun example. First, you are Chakmya. Second, he is shopkeeper of this era. These two example sentence. A. Independent articles use. Fourth uses of articles. Next uses of articles. Uses number of 10. Before uncountable noun qualified by an adjective. This sentence used as adjective. Then indefinite articles use. Then examples of first, a teacher should possess a good knowledge of the subject. Second example, during rainy season we come across a beautiful scene everywhere. In these two sentences, independent articles a is used because of constant sounds. First, independent articles are finished. Second types of articles having start, dependent articles. Then dependent articles used as the. The is dependent articles use. Then dependent articles, the is called as dependent articles as it is used to indicate someone or something species. What is dependent articles? Then the articles is dependent articles because used to indicate someone or something species. Therefore, the articles known as dependent articles. Then what is meant by dependent articles studied. Then next point, uses of articles with example. Then dependent articles example. First use of dependent articles. The is used before a singular countable noun and uncountable noun. First use of articles use as singular countable noun or uncountable noun. So example number first, the book is not available in the market. Second example, the water of this river is very clear and sweet. Then two sentence, the dependent articles use because they indicates someone or something species. Then second uses of dependent articles to talk about a particular thing or person that has been already maintained. This uses of dependent articles already maintained. This sentence particular noun already used. Then use articles dependent the. Then example, first, I ate a cake and ice cream. The cake was tasty and delicious. Second example, I read a book. The book is interesting. In these two example of dependent articles, then the dependent articles use because something or something species indicates something or something species. Then third uses of dependent articles before noun referring a action and change when they are followed by of. Then example, the growth of the steel industry is fast. Second example, the policies of the governments are changing now. This example, the articles use because this sentence before noun referring action and change. They are follow. Then fourth uses of dependent articles before noun which are unique or their kind in the world, such as earth, sky, sun, moon. In this way, dependent articles these use this sentence. This word use sky, sun, moon, occasion. This word use this sentence use as dependent articles the. Then examples of this word use examples. First example, the earth moves round the sun. Second example, the sea and the sky meet each other at the horizon. In these two examples, use as these words sky, sun, moon. Therefore, in this sentence, use as dependent articles the. Uses number 5 of dependent articles before noun which have superlative adjective before them. This sentence uses superlative adjective before, then uses dependent articles. Then example, Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperor. This sentence uses dependent articles the. Then uses number 6 of dependent articles before an adverb when used for comparatives. This sentence use adverb, so this uses dependent articles the. So examples of dependent articles use sentence in adverb or used for comparative. Then below examples, example first. Then the higher you climb, the colder it gets. This sentence uses dependent articles the. These dependent articles uses this sentence. Then fourth uses of dependent articles before noun which represent a class of an one kind. Before noun which represent a class, this sentence uses dependent articles. Then example of this uses, example first, the poor always suffer. Example second, we should always help the weak and the helpless. These two examples uses dependent articles the. Uses number 8 before proper noun when it is used for comparison with a similar noun. This sentence uses dependent articles. Then example, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Second example, Vijay is the Ramjan of recent era. These two examples uses the dependent articles because in uses proper noun. This sentence uses proper noun, so it is used in dependent articles the. Uses number 9 of dependent articles. Then before abstract noun or material noun when they are used in particular sense. This sentence use abstract noun or particular sense. This uses dependent articles the. Then example, the beauty of the Taj Mahal has not yet faded. This sentence uses dependent articles the. Fourth uses of dependent articles before proper nouns such as mountain range, rivers, ocean, seas, gulf, canals, desert. Few names of countries. This sentence uses rivers, ocean, seas, gulf, canals, desert. Few names use. Then this sentence uses definite articles because this sentence in uses noun. Then fourth uses of definite articles before proper nouns such as mountain range, rivers, ocean, seas, gulf, canals, desert. Few names of country. Then example: the Himalaya, the Alps, the Gangas, the Atlantic, the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabic Sea, the USA, the USSR. Then in these words before uses definite articles because in this indicates importance, state, rivers, ocean. So such as uses definite articles. The uses number 11 in definite articles used to say which types of musical instruments someone plays. This sentence uses musical instrument. Such example number first: Fiona is learning the flute. Second example: he plays the violin. These two examples uses the definite articles. Then 12 number uses of definite articles before name of certain books. Indicates name of certain books uses definite articles. Then example: the Ramayana, the Quran. In these books indicates uses definite articles the. Then uses number 13 definite articles. So before names of newspaper. This sentence word used as newspaper before they use as the articles use. Example: the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, Times of Lokmat. These word used as definite articles the. So you can study what is meant by articles, types of articles, definite articles a and n, definite articles the. Second types indefinite articles, the indefinite articles between a and n. A as indicates A as indefinite articles because they use before general nouns. Then definite articles the because they use as someone or something species. So all of two types are completed: definite articles and indefinite articles, types of articles. Then some more examples of indefinite articles use as and. So unit number 1 applied grammar. Having starting this lecture, studied articles, indefinite articles, definite articles, choice between a and an, examples of definite articles, examples of indefinite articles, uses of definite articles, uses of indefinite articles. So can detail study. Then uses of indefinite articles such as 10 and uses of definite articles then 10. So same indefinite articles uses 13. So can study. Then next point studied omissions of articles. There are 6 omissions of articles. First one is articles are not used with uncountable, abstract and material noun when they are used in the general sense. Omissions of first articles are not used with uncountable. This sentence articles used as uncountable. So example, first, rice is growth in some region of Maharashtra. Second, honesty is the best policy. Third, platinum is costlier than gold. In these 3 sentences, the definite articles used. Second, omissions of articles with plural countable noun used in general sense. Then third, omissions of articles with noun phrase the contain other determinants. Fourth, omissions of articles before language. Fifth is before proper noun. Sixth, omissions is before the names of relation. Then there are 6 omissions. Then omission number 6 before the name of relation. Then example, a father has returned from journey. Second example, we went to Honest to see grandmother. In this sentence, use as articles before the name of relation. Relation indicates this sentence use as articles. Then exercise, you can detail study what is meant by articles, types of articles, definite articles, in between the and indefinite articles a and an. So as finish. Then next exercise, complete the following sentence by using the suitable articles a or an and the. In these 3 articles use following sentence or complete exercise. So first example is Rama goes to dash dash temple every day. In this sentence use as what articles? Then in this sentence use as a articles because they are constant sounds, such as use as in this sentence a articles. Second example, a brown dash dash new mobile. Then in this sentence a articles used because constant sound. Then third example, Goa is dash dash paradise for all happiness. In this sentence use articles the definites. What? Because in this sentence use as places, states. Goa state is used, then these are sentence used as the definite articles. So example number 4, dash dash man in the highest from the creation. So this sentence uses no articles because in this sentence not vowel sounds, not constant sounds, not used as adverb. So this sentence not used as articles. Example number 5, please open dash dash window. This sentence uses the definite articles because this sentence word used as window or in this sentence constant sound. Then example number 6, gramophone is dash dash device for recording and reducing sound and music. This sentence uses vowel sounds or in this sentence uses constant sound, so is used as articles. So many example can study in articles. These types of sentence or question in ask in exam. So lecture number 2, having starting chapter 1st applied grammar, then studied articles. So next lecture starting next point having preposition. So in this lecture finish. Thank you.